Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with us in Apps Master Builder. I'm Katina Bugani, your mobile app trainer, and I'm going to show you the next important tutorial is how to use Apps Mockup. It's a free screenshot builder, and this is the link, which is app-mockup.com. Okay, and it is also available in our AMB portal. Please do have a look. By now you should know what is a portal. Okay, so there's no need for me to show, and let's go straight on building using this is quite interesting. I think this is much more advanced than the shortboard, but it's up to you. All right, so there's no need to sign in or whatever it is. What we do is we click start now, and let's choose Android. Okay, so if you look here, all right, we could actually choose, okay, we could actually choose the layout, okay, and you see there's a lot of layout here that we can pick and choose. Example, I choose this layout for this, and I add another one, and I choose this layout so that it can fit there, and I can actually choose all right, I want this layout, and I can just choose yeah, I just take this one. Just now I take that one, and I just take this one. All right, and we can put in the caption here. Hello. Okay. Yes. Okay. uh, and font, let's do a bigger font. Yep. And you can just put yeah, for you. Okay. Do, and we could write. Okay. And yes, let's zoom. Okay. And okay, and this one we okay. All right, so we put in that, and then we can put in a background image. So just choose one, or you can choose everything. So example, I put that in. So I'm putting all the background. The recommended size for the background, you can put in 2500 to 3500, so that it covers everything. Okay, let me try that. And that is the background, so meaning that these are the background. So say I'm putting in now the actual screenshot, so I choose this one also. Just for the sake of practice. Okay. All right, so when you have done that, you just go and click preview, and you will see, oops, I made a mistake. All right, so you see I did not put properly, so this is how where we can improve it. So what happened? Oh, I put it in the background image, so it override actually. So let's do that back. Okay, let's do that back. And now in screenshot we put in the image. Okay, let's put any image. Okay, it must be here. Okay, it's good. I made a mistake so that I can show you. Then we go to preview, and there you're able to do that. Okay, and then we can just download it. Okay, all right, if you put all, you put all. Okay, I'm not going to download it, and then I'm going to show you another interesting one. There's already ready-made template for you to pick and choose, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so easy. Say I choose this. Okay, and all I need to do is just now upload only the, yeah, only the images. All right, just going to do just for as a sample only. Okay, and then we're going to, and all this you can change, the caption. This is all the caption that you can change, and there's also sub caption. Okay, sub caption if you want to change, but here is only captions. So I'm going to go to preview because I just upload in the Galaxy, then we can see that. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, quite easy, quite cool. Okay, so we have given you two options on how to do the screenshot. Please choose the best for your app building. We wish you all the best in your journey with us in AMB, and we are gonna support you until you are able to publish to Google Play Store and Apple App Store, and not only build one app, build multiple apps with us. So with that, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.